This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for the day of January 19th, 2022, which is a Wednesday. The current date is December 17th, 2021, and the time is roughly 7:15 p.m. The overall theme and behavior of the S&P throughout the day of Wednesday, the 19th of January 2022 is going to be a peak that forms when we break through a resistance level briefly to create that kind of like point, and then we break back down through it, through that same price level. That's the abundance card, my friends. Generally, there's a peak or notable peak or high of some kind when we see the abundance card. Now in the the pre-market, we break down through a diagonal trend line and there's volatility on the way down. Trade opportunity, notable trade opportunity in the first half hour of trading to cash in or to roll positions, open a position as well. And then we have sideways fluctuation with a slight bullish trend to it between roughly 10 and 11. From roughly 11 to 12, we have a surprise failure. Something doesn't come through that was being expected to come through. Maybe it looked like we were going to break out, or maybe it's a piece of news. But there's a surprise failure. From roughly 12 to 1, we have a sideways bullish rotation with there may be economic data that is highlighted, and then we have a sharp drop between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock, a notable drop, move to the downside, and then we have the universal hexagram again, people, a move out of that sharp decline higher. Supplies, it basically offers an opportunity to short or open up protection on long positions. The last hour of trading is the completion of a trend, the completion of a bullish trend, I should say, and completion of a trend, and then we have a breakout in the post market, or right around the open, or right around the close. Behavior around the high is going to be sideways fluctuations with a downward trajectory to it. A female ruler may also be highlighted at the time, and then behavior around the low is going to be sideways movement, sideways fluidity. It's basically like an equal amount of bulls and bears, inflow, outflow, just kind of goes sideways. The sneak preview for the following day, we're going to sell off from a notable peak when we reach significant overbought territory in the RSI, so 80 or higher. Trade opportunity, I'm advised to trade around a sharp drop within a period of volatility. Right around the open is a sharp drop, so we break down through a diagonal trend line in the pre-market, sharp drop possibly within some price swings right around the open, and then that supplies us with a trade opportunity in the first half hour. And then behavior around the close is a big move to the upside. It's like an upside down U shape, so it'll come back a bit, but it's a big move to the upside. And that's the first portion of the one-day reading for the S&P 500 for the day of January 19th, 2022. If you want to see the second portion where we do the pattern recognition, just click on the link below or go to the website tarotfortraders.com and you can get it there. Thanks for your support, people. Thanks for watching. Let me know how this is helping you. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I'll see you all tomorrow.